Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly analysis for the coming week based on GAN, financial astrology, and the levels which we can watch out for the coming week and what kind of trades can be taken. So first of all, the coming week, the expiry will happen on Wednesday only because Thursday is a holiday due to Mahashivratri. So keep that particular thing in mind. Now, first thing is this is the Nifty chart which I have presented in front of you. Now we can see here on this day, 3rd of March, we made a small top. 4th March, we have seen some trend change because of the anniversary date. So this is, it was Mars ingress as I've discussed in last video. This was anniversary date, and this is another important date. So three Astro and GAN dates are coming together. You know, so what it means, like market is preparing itself for a decisive move in the coming week. Whenever the two or three Astro dates or the GAN dates comes together, so and the market has been very volatile in last few days. So like I've told you before, try to trade with the right position size. Do not over trade because the stop losses have to be kept little bit wide because the markets are so volatile. Now, what is these lines? These lines are, I have done an aspect between Mercury, which is nearest to the Sun, to Jupiter, which is, the king or the ruling planet of financials. So when I particularly draw these lines, we will see some good moves. We generally tend to see, a kind of fall whenever this Mercury conjunct Jupiter, like it has happened here after 1 or 2 days. There was a small fall. It happened here. Next day we made a top, and we had a good, very very decent fall. This was like 1,000 points fall. Now it has happened on this day, so probably I mean like today looking at the SGX Nifty, I see there will be a gap up in the market, but watch out for this level which is 15,092 to 15,100. If that is not crossed, I'm expecting the market will fill the gap again, and it will come down it will come down towards 14,800 odd levels. So like this has performed nicely. If we can go back and see, again it found here and there was a top in the market. So, this is a very good aspect which we can look at. Another thing which is happening is, the Mercury is going in its greatest western elongation. So, whenever that particular thing also happens, so this is, the angle between the Mercury is at its greatest western elongation. This one, Mercury western elongation reaches maximum. I've applied this. These are the formula for this, and this is how you get it. Again, you can see here it made on 23rd. It happened, and after that we made a top. So this was after 2 days after a top on 21st. Similarly, it is happening again on 6th. Again 2 days before, on 3rd March, if we consider that this is a top, so this is again a very very crucial thing which is it is forming. So after whenever it forms, you see a trending move happens. So I'm expecting, like, if we break this low of Friday and unable to cross the high, we can see a very decent fall in the market. Now let me take you to the neural analysis of Nifty. Neural analysis, this is for Nifty. What it says is we can see a small bounce back today, which gap up open will decide. Ninth, we make a top, and again we can see a kind of fall in the market till 12th. Again, it was right last time, but doesn't mean that every time it will be right. Our level should always confirm. Similarly, this is the neural analysis for Bank Nifty. Again it made a top here, and it is showing that it can continue with its decline all the way till 8th, and a small bounce back, ninth top, and then a small fall. Now let me show you something from the GAN side. Like, this is the Nifty's GAN angles, and see here on 30th March we made a top. If I calculate 216 bar, which is like a multiple of 72, which is also coming on 6th, which is today. So today again we can see a good trend change in the market. Now till this angle, till Nifty doesn't close above 15,366 to 15,400 odd levels, there is a high probability that we can see a fall all the way till 15,206. So the people who generally go positionally short in the market, keep a stop loss of 15,400, and add to the any rise near to that level for a big move towards 14,200 300 odd levels, probably, which we can see in next in the March month. And let me show you the last thing, which is Nifty's supply and demand analysis. Again, see here. So if it opens gap up, not able to breach it, once 938 is broken, then 876 gets broken, which it is showing that there is a next demand is near 14,467. So for Nifty, what I'm watching out, if you want to go long in the market, better to go long above 15,100. And for above 15,100, we can see a rally all the way towards 15,261, 15,200, 15,261, 15, 333 and 15,400. On the downside, as soon as the market starts trading below 14,955 to 14,944 range any given day during the week, we can see a quick fall towards 14,876, then 780, then 626 and 610. These are the levels which I'm watching out for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, the levels which I'm watching out. See, Bank Nifty is again one important thing is it has formed an inside bar pattern on a weekly chart. Let me show you that. So inside bar and outside bar, whenever it happens, you tend to see a very, very good moves in the market. See, this is an inside bar. It is not able to reach previous week's high and low, and it is a kind of doji only. So probably, it will lead to a big move of at least 1500 to 2000 points in the coming week. So let me just quickly share the Bank Nifty levels also with you. So Bank Nifty, what I'm watching out for on upside, if it is able to cross 36,000, then I can see a rally all the way till 36,471, 36,800 and 37,322. On downside, as soon as it starts trading below 35,100, then 34,893 on downside. Below that, 34,745, 34,595 and 34,200 is the levels which I'm watching out for. So these are the levels I'm watching out for. I've shown you the importance of these time cycles. What is the importance of conjunctions in the Nifty. Mercury at greatest western elongation, which has come somewhere here. Very, very important point. Generally, very good trending moves are seen whenever this event happens. So, and the power of Gantt, both price and time cycles. And I've shared the levels also. These levels are also available on my website brahmishtechanalysis.com on weekly and daily analysis. So watch out for these levels and let's see what market has in place. Trade with the right position size. It's a holiday shortened weekend, so make sure that you have that thing in mind, especially for option writers. And more importantly, if Nifty is not able to cross 15,100, you can take a bet around 14,000 and 14,800 P with a stop loss of 1,500. And for option writers, 15,200, 15,300 calls can be shorted if Nifty is unable to breach 15,100 today. And on downside, 14,600 and 700 P is something, which can be written if Nifty continues to trade above 14,940 odd levels. It comes down, it's not able to breach it, you can do it. So these are the levels which I'm watching out for. Be disciplined, trade with the right position size. Thank you very much. Have a good week ahead.